Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. Come take a test drive today.